vegetable stock. You can use it to cook vegetable soup, you can use it to cook vegetarian dishes, anything go. This is really very sweet. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook vegetable stock or vegetable broth. I have variety of vegetable and most of it are the vegetable that we can extract the sweetness from the vegetable by boiling it for a long time. I have 300 grams of leek, 250 grams of white radish, 100 grams of French bean, 200 grams of carrot, 1 large yellow onion, 1 corn, 1 bowl of garlic, half tablespoon of white peppercorn, half tablespoon of salt, and 2 heads of Chinese cabbage. For the Chinese cabbage, I'm just going to use this part only. Normally, whereby when we cook the Chinese cabbage, we will not use this part. So I'm going to make use of it to cook the stock because this vegetable can give out a very nice sweetness to the soup. I'm going to go ahead and cut and clean the vegetable. Then after that, we can go and cook the stock. These are the vegetables that I have cut and washed. I'm going to put the white peppercorn in this tea bag, so it is easy to remove later on. For the Chinese cabbage, I'm going to cut it into half first. Just forgot to cut into half. It's too big. Just like that. So when we cut it like this, right, the soup can extract more of the sweetness from all these vegetables. Vegetable ready, now we can go and cook it. Just put everything in. When cutting the vegetable, right, I cut quite a big piece. When we make soup like this, doesn't matter because we are not going to eat all this vegetable anyway. Okay, so we're going to boil it so long until the soup will extract all the sweetness from the vegetable and become so soft and melted. And by the time the vegetable will be so tasteless already. I'm going to put in about 3.5 liters of water. So I'm going to put in the salt as well. Switch on the heat. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. The soup is boiling vigorously. Just take a look. Wow, look at that. This type of vegetable soup, right? Because we're putting in only the vegetable that will give out the clear color. So it will be very nice and clear soup. It's very nice fragrance of the leek. I'm going to cover it back and reduce the heat to low heat. Set the time for 2 hours. And we're going to come and take a look once it's done. I have been boiling this soup for almost 2 hours. 1 more minute to go. It's boiling very slowly. And look at that. The soup is boiled down into, I think the water went down about 1.5 inch down, and we have a very nice clear soup. Look at that. Okay, time's up as well. So I'm going to leave it to cool, and then after that we're going to drain out all the vegetable, and then we can keep the vegetable stock. You can use it to cook vegetable soup, you can use it to cook vegetarian dishes, anything go. This is really very sweet. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here to cool. After I left the vegetable broth here for about 6 to 7 hours, it's still a bit warm. So look at that. The broth or the stock is crystal clear. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the vegetable from here. All these vegetables probably will have no taste already. Just take it out. For this stock, if you want to use it within 1 or 2 days, you can put it in the fridge. But if you want to keep it for a long time, you may want to put it in the freezer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.